si Rolly Chang. Good morning, Rolly.
Hello, good morning.
Rolly, we love savory. Tatay ko dati favorite niya na yung savory na yan. Hanggang ngayon, syempre. Mr. Chang, kapag sinabing Chinese food, ano yung distinction o pinakaiba na to sa ibang cuisine?
Sa ibang cuisine, it's more different, almost the same, but then the taste is much aroma, ibang lasa.
Oo. Ano naman yung ibig sabihin pag sinabing Chinese laureate?
Chinese laureate is a celebration, happiness celebration.
Ah.
Yeah. It's a set of menu, set of food, like 9 to 10 kinds of food.
Wow!
Yeah.
So, ano ang minimum pag sinabing laureate?
Laureate, minimum around 8 to 10 foods yun eh.
Talaga? Pero
Yeah.
pwedeng sumobra pa doon?
Yes.
Oh
yes.
my goodness, depende
The
sa...
earlier days, it's more than 10 to 20.
Hanggang 20?
Yeah, but then tayo, right now, it's lesser.
Oo naman, mga conscious na tayo sa ating mga pangangatawa. Tama ba ako ang krabang isa sa mga pinakahuli pang laureate?
Yes, the mga wet ba?
Ayun, ako sige, aralin natin. Mr. Chang, kanina pa kami natatakam sa Chinese food. Kanina pa sila umirit na tirahin natin yan. Ano ba ang menu natin ngayon? Ano sa nag-upisa ang laureate?
Laureate, we have to start from the soup, no?
Okay, here.
Patpo soup.
Ano klase po ito?
Patpo.
Patpo. And what's in it?
Mga tawong. Sir.
Sarap. Uy, mainit-init pa.
Yeah.
And then after that, nido soup. May ganon?
Yeah, we have.
Ayun, ano dun sa kabila? You've got so many different kinds of soups actually.
Yeah.
Ayun, tapos nun, nido soup which is very, parang mahirap na yata hanapin na nido soup ngayon.
Meron pa rin, yes.
Okay. And then hototai is
Yeah,
another.
we have hototai and hot and sour soup.
Oo. Hot and sour yung parang red, no?
Yeah,
Ay,
yes,
parang orange na yan.
And we have lomi.
I love lomi.
Yeah. And siomai soup.
Of course, sarap.
Tsaka hototai na to, no?
Chicken asparagus.
Bird nest soup.
Bird's nest yung nasa dulo, and then chicken asparagus.
Yeah, chicken asparagus soup.
Ayan, so take your pick. Ang dami niyo pagpipilian, of course. And meron din, yung tokwa soup yun yung kanina doon.
Yes.
Yan, tokwa soup. Patpo, what does patpo mean?
Patpo with bean curd yun.
Oh, with bean curd.
Yes.
And then after that, next na ba dyan ang appetizer?
No, actually it's for a birthday party, it's we have soup first.
Okay.
Noodle.
Noodles.
Yeah, birthday
okay.
noodle. And then the following are the appetizers and the main dishes na.
Naka-ready na po yung mga plato ng mga co-host ko. Sandali lang ha, tatapusin na namin ang segment ha. Ano ba? Ito, noodles naman, ano to, iba't ibang klase?
Yeah, we have 5 kinds of noodles, no? Namely, sotanghon noodle and miki, and bihon gisado, and kangkong gisado, and also the one is miswa gisado miswa.
Miswa ang tawag mo dyan?
Yes, yeah, miswa.
Kaya pala si Lin Ching Chinese.
Medyo payak.
Lagi niya sinasabi, pag nakita siya, oy, miswa, sabi ko, hindi yan, miswa, pansit yan. Siyempre, nagmagaling pa ako, siya yung Chinese ko. Shrimp chili sauce. Ayan, kasama din yan usually sa mga served soy chicken.
You have bestseller is a fried chicken or
sikat ng savory.
Savory fried chicken.
Ito yun. Bata pa ako, ito na mga pinupuntahan doon sa Binondo. Tama po ba? Sa Binondo, this one, savory. Soy chicken. Century eggs, it's part of the appetizer.
Yeah, appetizer. That's cold cuts.
Cold cuts, yan. So fried bean curd is there. Andito yung yan. Yan, fried bean curd. Pork asado is this one. Tama po ba?
Yeah.
Pata ham, ito ba?
Oo.
Oh, naman, ang galing ko. Saan noodle? Ayan yung chili shrimp pala. And of course, yung noodles, we discussed the noodles earlier, the different kinds of noodles. And then, what's usual? Kailan ba sinaserve yung kanin?
No, actually we don't serve kanin for the laureate except yung they like to add pampabusog.
Okay.
Kasi we have a lot of food na eh.
That's right.
Yeah, and then special request lang yun if they like.
Mga Pilipino nag-request yan, I'm sure, yung mga puting kanin.
Yeah.
Kasi you have carbs anyway with the noodles
Noodles na, yeah, right.
Tapos, and this, of course, we've got, this is patatim.
Patatim, yeah.
Talaga hindi na ako pinapiling tapos ang segment. And
after
then,
the patatim, lumpia Shanghai.
Yes.
The last, no, mga wet na, mga
yun yung sinasabi mong wet.
fish. That's lapu-lapu.
Na mas asal.
And crab.
Ayun.
And the pinaka-last is the dessert.
Wonderful. And Bucci, di ba?
Yeah, we know. Yeah, Bucci, yes.
Bucci is the best. Naku, Rolly, talaga naman nakakataka mga hinanda yung Chinese Laureate para sa amin. Saan naman namin po kayo puntahan or pwedeng tawagan para sa mga kapuso natin dyan na gusto na kumorder?
Yeah, we have a store in main store in Escolta, Sabro Escolta. And the telephone number is 241-2631 or 244-6662 and 242-1443.
And I'm sure puno na kayo sa Chinese New Year,
Yeah.
sa reservations.
Yes, and we also have a new open one in Shaw Boulevard.
I see. Ayun, so meron kayong choices. Pwede ka pumunta doon sa may Escolta or sa Shaw Boulevard. May number kayo doon?
Yeah,
Memorize niyo po ba?
of course.
Oh, yan! Go! Go!
In Shaw Boulevard, we have the telephone number is 533-1288 and 534-9988.
Yan. Maraming salamat po sa inyo at maraming salamat sa Savory Restaurant. Mr. Rolly Chow, thank you for bringing all of this,
Welcome.
these wonderful foods dito sa Unang Hirit.
Yeah.
Yung iwasan.
Thank you.
Thank you, thank you. Gawin po ang Unang Hirit. Thank you, Plato.